welcome to the Sure Lock and Key Guide. Today, we're diving into what makes a great Birmingham locksmith. When you're locked out or need a security upgrade, who do you call? It's crucial to find a reliable locksmith with local expertise. Sure Lock and Key are your trusted local experts in Birmingham. We offer a wide range of services, from emergency lockouts to advanced security system installations. Need a new car key? We've got the technology to cut and program it on site. Thinking about upgrading your home's security? We provide expert advice and high-quality solutions. Our team is highly trained, certified, and dedicated to providing exceptional service. We understand the importance of speed and efficiency, especially in emergency situations. Sure Lock and Key uses only the latest tools and techniques to ensure your safety and satisfaction. We're transparent about our pricing, so you'll never face any hidden fees. For peace of mind and professional service, choose Sure Lock and Key in Birmingham. Contact us today for all your locksmith needs. Your security is our priority.